Alright, so before we can really get our hands dirty and start coding in Python, we first have to download and install Python. Alright, so the first thing you're going to have to do is download Python, and here's the link that you use to do that. Make sure that you select the right system, such as Mac or Windows or Linux, before you're installing. This way you're installing the right version of the tool. The next step is to basically click Next and accept all of the recommended settings unless you have something specific that you need to customize for. When I installed it personally on Windows, I just accepted all of the generic system settings. The next step is to install an IDE, or an integrated development environment. I personally like to use Jupyter, and the way I install Jupyter is using Anaconda. So basically I googled install Jupyter, and make sure you spell it correctly as I have it here, and then you just install it through Anaconda. The steps are pretty simple. You just keep clicking on next, and again I accepted all the general settings, and I was able to launch Jupyter Labs and Jupyter Notebooks through Anaconda. So the Jupyter Notebook is basically this integrated web app that you can use to share things such as live code, visualizations, and text. You can follow the hashtag DediCatedPython for more videos around Python and programming.